Hi guys, good morning. Happy rainy Tuesday. It is Tuesday, July 5th, 2022, with a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Just here at Bathurst and Queen. Just about to board the streetcar. Not the 512. Not 100% sure, as I don't take it very often. But we are heading towards the subway station, which would be Bathurst Station. And we're heading northbound. Just got my Timmy's coffee, and my hands are not entirely free. But that's okay. We always manage. Anyway, guys, enjoy the ride on this beautiful, slightly overcast, gentle rainy day.
Next stop, Street.
I'm actually using an umbrella today because the rain is kind of light in the summer today, so that's okay. I'll remove the microphone so you get a sound check and listen for how the actual sound is instead of just the microphone sound. It's my external microphone. Yes, folks, we are in an old part of Toronto. I don't know if it's necessarily called Old Toronto, but it is an older part of Toronto.
Please look right for traffic when exiting.
Oh, this coffee is really good. Usually I get iced coffee, but sometimes I like to check out a different Tim Hortons. And I just felt like hot coffee today. As I said, I usually get iced coffee, but maybe with the rain.
Dundas Street West. That Alex gets around TO was just in this area. Well, I watched his video yesterday or the day before. I don't know. He was probably here a week ago or so. And he walked right around this area and close to church. A church, which is in Ukrainian called Cerkve, that I used to attend when I was a young person. And I was actually christened in that church. So it's a special area for me. Next stop, Nassau Street, Toronto Western Hospital.
Yes, we are also passing the Toronto Western Hospital just on the right here as part of the University Health Network. I'm kind of glad that this area here is not part of a bus route. I'm glad that it's a streetcar route because it's just the way I'm used to seeing it. Okay, I'm going to focus in on the church. The beautiful church. There it is, St. Volodymyr Ukrainian Orthodox.
Please look right for traffic when exiting.
If I could, maybe sometime I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. And then next door here used to be where I went to Ukrainian school, which is now gone. Oh no, the streetcar's gonna block it. Okay, And then right over here, this area here, is where Chroma Radio used to be. And if you look on the search engine, you will see Chroma Radio, which was a very unique electronic store for, you know, getting electronic gadgets and things. So Chroma Radio was there too. Really cool. The area has changed a bit. I do even recall the very first opening of a no-frill store. If you look through maybe, I don't know, CBC archives, you'll see it with Dave Nickel talking with a local resident at the St. Clair and Victoria Park store as it first opened in 1978. And she actually didn't care for the store. She said it reminded her of college and Bathurst. Now, I don't know what the area looked like at that time, but it looks fine to me. So, there you go. You can't please everybody. Just look out for yourself and be kind to others. And look out for others too, of course. It's a long light that we're at, guys. It certainly is a different feel traveling on the streetcar on a rainy day versus a sunny day. It's from a photographer standpoint, like myself, videographer standpoint, I actually prefer it. This to me is about an f-stop of 5.6. When I remember from when I was in high school, photography being my biggest subject and strongest subject. We used to develop film. We used to develop and print pictures.
Next stop, Ulster Street.
In a photo lab, and I actually had a photo lab at home. We used to print black and white. We used to develop our own film at home and print black and white pictures. So I have a huge photographic background, and it's still my biggest passion, photography and videography. Videography now more than photography, but I equally love both. And we had a lot of fun in the darkroom developing pictures, black and white pictures with the red light, you know, and all the chemicals we used to use, and developing the film. I developed my own black and white film. It was pretty amazing. I'm proud of myself for that.
Next stop, Harvard Street.
Lots of really, really old homes here, guys. As you can see. Some of them are definitely, you can tell they're, some of them over 100 years old. And they're still standing.
Next stop, Lenox Street.
It certainly helps to have this coffee while I am doing my video, especially for commentary. It certainly makes me feel much more awake when I'm talking with you guys. So, and I'm also trying not to talk too loud because there's someone up ahead, and I certainly don't want to be talking too loud. Could that be why my voice is not coming up in transcript? Should I be adding something from transcript? Because I notice other people with videos, when they're talking, you can actually see the transcript of them talking. And in my videos, that doesn't show up. So maybe that's something I have to do on a laptop or a computer. Because basically, I'm just using my iPhone to do the editing and YouTube Studio through the app. I don't generally use a computer
unless I absolutely need to. Certainly not for uploading. I might use it for, for my AdSense account now, or, adding that on for because I'm monetized. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned, if you guys saw my community post, I am actually monetized as of the end of May 2022. Things have changed and evolved, and as they say, change is good. So we are getting close to getting off real soon, off the streetcar, because we are arriving at Bathurst Station. On the Blurt Danforth line, line 2. Well, thanks for watching, YouTube family. I wish you a wonderful day. Toodles.